What's up guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So in the pot I have my coconut oil with some scallion, thyme, pimento seeds and garlic. Now I'm gonna allow them to cook and to flavor my pumpkin for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna add some salt and black pepper. Now you can go ahead and add other ingredients if you like, but for me I just want my pumpkin rice to be as simple as possible. Now my pumpkin is not as fresh because I got a piece of pumpkin, guys, and I put them in the freezer just to preserve them, because pumpkin can spoil easily. So they're not as fresh, but them still are gonna make my pumpkin rice nice. Alright, so just give them a nice toss in the pot. And you can use as much pumpkin as you like. I'm just using maybe about less than a pound of pumpkin. Alright, because I'm not making a whole lot of rice, but depending on the amount that you're making, then you go ahead. Alright, so add the salt to your taste. I added maybe about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and I added maybe about 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you can always add some all-purpose seasoning, but for me, guys, I don't want to make seasoned pumpkin rice. I would just want to make some simple coconut pumpkin rice. So I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of coconut milk. Now for the coconut milk, I'm not using fresh coconut milk, guys. I add my packed coconut milk, so I just mix it with some water and I add it to the pot. Now if you add the fresh coconut milk, even better. Alright, but I did not have any, so I'm using what I have. So I'm gonna add some more fresh seasoning. Then I'm going to cover the pot, let it come up to a boil, and so my pumpkin can cook, because I like to mash some of the pumpkin in the pot. Now guys, this is not a very detailed video. I will share other pumpkin rice recipes in the description box, so you could always watch them in detail. Alright, so I am gonna go off camera, allow my pumpkin to cook. After it's finished cooking, or maybe about halfway cooked, I'm gonna mash some in the pot just to give the rice a nice pretty color. Alright, before I do all of that though, guys, I'm gonna add some frozen vegetables. Now that part is optional, you could always leave it out, but for me, guys, I do like to add it with my pumpkin rice. Alright, so if you don't want to mash some of your pumpkin, you don't have to. Alright, so I wash my white rice. Now I'm adding it into the pot. Now guys, as I said before, I'm not making a whole lot of pumpkin rice, so you want to double or triple the recipe. Okay guys, so at this point my pumpkin rice is all done, so I'm gonna fluff it up. And with pumpkin rice, guys, you have to use less liquid because the pumpkin are already soft, and then first I'm gonna use the coconut milk. So if you don't like soft soggy rice, then bear that in mind, you have to use less liquid. But this rice is good enough for me. I don't like it too shelly at times, and I don't like it too mushy. Alright, so it was flavorful and simple.